Hello, friends. Welcome to the second chapter of Om Astro Jyoti, learning astrology in Indian and Vedic way. So, in the last class, we did about the basics of the house and of the ruler of the houses. So, today we are going to do something which will be a next step of the first chapter. So, what we are going to do today is the significance significance of the classes significance or in Hindi we say karaka. Karaka means what is the significance or signification of any planet or any house, like what is a planet department to give to a native, what a planet is going to deliver or what a house is going to deliver. See, in Indian manner, in Indian Jyotish or in Vedic Jyotish, three things are very important. That is called the three pillars. Three pillars. Now, three pillars of astrology Vedic involves number one, houses or bhava. Number two, planets or graha as the house lords. Excuse me. And number three, the significator. Significators or the karakas. Karakas. These are the three pillars which are going to deliver the result and how they are going to give. So before that, I need to tell you, because in the last class we completed about the house and the ruler. So house and the ruler, I have given you just a brief idea. But yes, the class is not over. Means I have not given you the complete idea. Because Vedic is a very, very, very deep subject. It's a very deep knowledge. It's like diving into an ocean and you don't know where the end is. It's like the deepest space, it's so deep. But only thing what I am trying to say is I'm just giving you the basics. I'm just giving you some words, the terminology with which you can be proficient with what I mean in the next advanced classes. So house I have given you just a brief idea. The planet or the grahas I have given you just a very brief idea. Now the significator or the karkas. So all together this is the three pillars which we have to understand. Before that, before going into any kind of conclusion like what is karka and my planet is disturbed or my planet is exalted and all these little things, little knowledgeable thing, just keep them aside and listen to my lectures very carefully, so you will be getting some hint, and I'll make the classes very logical so you can develop the logic and you don't have to mug it up. You don't have to remember it. You just apply your basic fundamental formula and you are going to get all the answer what you need. So, how an Indian chart look like? So, Vedic North Indian chart. It's also called diamond chart. So, how to make the chart? This is a kind of practical demonstration, so people will be understanding well. So this is a rectangle or a square you take. Then you make a diagonal from here to here. And then you again make a diagonal from here to here. Now all the software gives you the same kind of report, but authenticity is when you are making them by your hand. So this is a kind, and this is a chart which is a North Indian chart. So if this is a chart, the starting point of this chart is from this 1, then we are going to write 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the 12 houses. This is the starting house and this is the ending house. So the chart will start from here and it will rotate anti-clockwise, not clockwise. It will be anti-clockwise. So first, second, third, fourth. So always remember, diamond structure chart is anti-clockwise, starting from this box, ending at this box or this triangle you say. So these are the 12 houses in a zodiac. Now these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 may change. May change in the thing. Say for example, this is a typical Aries ascendant chart because Aries is the first house. We know that. Aries is the first house and we know that it starts from the first. But say for example, if for anyone, if Capricorn becomes the first house, then we are going to rotate the whole chart with that number like this. So we are just going to rotate the number. So for your simplicity, I am just drawing another square. So now the first house is 10. Next one will be 11, 12, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So these will be the shift. Now always remember the first house, whenever it is, we called it as a lagna or the ascendant or the ascendant. In English it's called ascendant, in first house it's called, in Sanskrit it's called lagna or ascendant. So by this what I mean, in Vedic system the number may rotate, but the lagna or ascendant will never rotate. I repeat again, the number may rotate. It may be it may be here 2 or it may be here 3 or it may be starting with 7 or 8, any number can come. But the lagna or ascendant will always be in the first house or in the first square. I hope this is clear. The next point, these all the number of houses which are here or the boxes which are here, they all are called bhavas. So now when we are comparing these both charts, here the first bhava is the first, that means it is Aries, because in the previous chapter we have done that number 1 represent Aries, number 2 represent number 2 represent Taurus, number 3 represent Mercury ruled sign Gemini, number 4 represent Cancer. All these things are coming, but in this chart when we are looking at this, here the 10 is not represented by Aries, it is represented by Capricorn. So in this, the ascendant rising is Aries, and in this chart the ascendant rising is Capricorn. Now how it is coming Capricorn, I'll tell you in the later classes. So This is the whole situation, like how we are casting a chart. Now, what about significator? Significator means, now let me give you a very good example, then you are going to understand here. Say for this is a house, this is the seventh house. This, in this chart, this house is Libra. Okay, but the signification of this house is marriage. Marriage is the signification of this house. In this case, its moon ruled sign Cancer, but still the signification will be marriage. So, whatever number is coming, 7, 5, 2, whatever, but the signification of that particular house will never change. Okay, I hope this is clear till now. This is a very basic significance. I'm just giving you basics right now. When the basic is complete, then we are going to do the advanced classes. Don't worry, this is a just pinch of salt which I am giving you, just to make you well versed with what is the significator, what is the karka, what is the bhava, and how they are working. Just you have to have an idea. Your every questions will be answered. Don't worry, have patience. We will go very very slowly so that this Vedic astrology you can do it very well. Thank you.